for it. أبرام مش هذا جدا وأركوزا lubrication tire rim whatever. أنا مرينا صح. On the side. Outside. Like that. Yes, brother. All tires. Beam all right. Nothing is harder than a wall. All you need to work hard. Work time. Think about it. See what you're doing. فاهم فينا موت. هاي أغلب الدراسة ما بفور مرسين. Guys حاجة وقتها. عم بيركب الدنيا. نعمل وتسي سباح. I'm using all the style عم استعمالها يا. وهي ورق. أقول استعمالي. So further questions. If I show you what I'm doing tonight, wax meesha laga sameynayo. So marka break sameynayso waxa u baahan tahay hello machine, 2 grinders, bar, sockets, the calipers is there. Winston, I want to bleed this. Can you push for me while you're here? Come on, man, push that shit all the way to the down, man. It's good the leg when it doesn't feel anything, you know. So, smash laga bleed grab bleeder kwaye. Tight qof waa riixaya. Qofka kalena wuu furaya oilka. Up. Down. Qof kalena wuu riixaya. Waa caliperka wax bleed gareynaya yani. Up. Down. Up. Arkaysa oilka soo daadanayo. Down. Up. Down. Arag fiirso sida oilka u daadanayo. Arkaysa oilka. We're good, bro. We're good. Thank you very much. That was for tonight's video. Good luck with that.